Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Are you tired of spending hours animating scenes, editing video clips, or syncing sound effects just to bring your story to life? Well, that ends today. Because we're diving into Video AI, one of the most advanced and lightning fast AI video generators available right now. I'll walk you through how to use Video AI step by step, highlight its most powerful features, and explain what you can do with each tool. From text to video generation to AI powered sound effects and viral video templates. Let's dive in. So, what is Video AI? Video AI is a real time text to video generation platform powered by advanced artificial intelligence. It's designed to take your words, literally a text prompt, and instantly create high realistic or animated video scenes. With fast rendering speeds as little as 10 seconds per video and built in audio syncing, Video AI helps creators, marketers, and storytellers bring their ideas to life with ease. Now, whether you want to build a cinematic action scene, animate a still image, or just add audio to a clip, Video AI is packed with creative tools to make it happen. Now, to get started, visit the official Video AI website. I'll put the link in the description below. Click sign in and sign up using your email account. Once you're signed in, you're all set to explore the platform. Now let's create a video using text to video. So this is Video AI's flagship feature and it's incredibly easy to use. So on the dashboard, select text to video on the left side. Now in the prompt box, type your scene description. So I have here an example. A lone traveler walks through a misty forest at sunrise, the trees glowing orange with soft cinematic lighting and a realistic film style. Choose a model. For best results, go with Video Q1, known for producing the most realistic outputs. So next, you can select your style. You have here general and animation. General is a realistic output, and animation, which is cartoon or stylized. Next, adjust the following settings: video duration, resolution, movement amplitude, aspect ratio. I'd go for 16:9, and choose how many video variations you want. Now, after that, click generate, and the AI gets to work. Now, if you want to bring still photo to life, the image to video tool is perfect for that. So, click on image to video on the left side. Now, here, upload your image or images. You can use one photo for a starting frame, two photos for a start and end transition. So, I've uploaded my images, and after uploading, enter a description of what should happen in the next video. So I have here an example prompt. And next, set your desired duration, resolution, and leave movement amplitude on auto. Choose a number of generations and hit generate. Now the AI will transform your image into a short motion video with stunning transitions and dynamic effects. Now here's the best part. No video is complete without great sound. So instead of searching endlessly for the perfect sound effect, Video AI lets you generate that. Now here's how. From the main menu, click AI sound effect. Now type a short prompt describing the type of audio that you want. Example, this one. After that, set the duration. Example, 10 seconds, and click generate. Now once complete, you can attach the sound directly to your video or download it for later use. And the result perfectly matched sound without hours spent digging through audio libraries. Next, let's use viral video templates. If you want to create fun, shareable content fast, Video AI also offers pre-designed templates that help you generate viral videos in just a few clicks. So here's how to use them. Go to template section in the dashboard. Click more to see all available styles, from romance animations to meme style clips, etc. Now choose a template you like, for example, this template right here. Click on it. So upload your image or images. Just click create and the AI process your video. So in just a few moments, you'll have a beautifully animated social media ready clip, complete with smooth transitions and stylized motion. Now for the pricing plan, Video AI offers free options. So you have 10 references per month. You have here standard $8 and you get 800 credits monthly. Premium is $28 and you get 4,000 credits monthly, and the ultimate $79 per month and you get 8,000 credits monthly. So choose a plan that matches your needs. If you're just testing the waters, the free plan gives you plenty of creative room. Now, Video AI isn't just another AI tool, it's a game changer for creators. In just a few minutes, you can go from simple idea to fully formed visual story, complete with sound and motion. Now, what do you think? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. See you next time. Introducing Articleize. Turn anything into a quality article with just one click. Be it YouTube video, Facebook post, Reddit post, LinkedIn post, AI content, etc. Get traffic in any niche with content that catches the latest topics, trend, and keywords. It comes with powerful AI editor, works in any language, generates images, create articles from the social web, and easy to use. Create fresh and original articles that Google loves to rank. Post your articles to WordPress or Tumblr with one click. Rank for AI search like Google and ChatGPT by powering your content with Quora and Reddit. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Articleize now. Just go to getarticleize.in.